Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look using all of the May Boxycharm items that I got in this month's box. So I'm going to start out by showing you guys everything that came in the box this month. So what came with the box this month, I lost my little card that came in the box, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. So it came with some makeup brushes. It came with a little set of these Aesthetica makeup brushes. This one is a fluffy brush. This one is a really sharp little angle brush, a spoolie, and then this really thin eyeliner brush that I used. I used these two brushes in my look today and I did not get to use these ones. But it also came with this matte lip gloss, and this is from Beauty Creations and the color is called Sweetheart. And this is the color that I'm wearing now. It also came with this really cool eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the packaging. This eyeliner is super smooth and buttery, and it reminds me a lot of the Inglot eyeliner. Can't remember the color, but the really black color. So this one is really similar to that one, and I used this small angle brush that came with the set. I used this one to apply my eyeliner. And then the last thing that it came with is this Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette, and these are the colors that come in the palette. I used this one here for my contour and then this one here for my highlight. Oh, and I almost forgot. It came with this Cover FX blurring primer, which I applied underneath my makeup. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and how I incorporated all these items into this look, just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I already did my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to start with this Cover FX blurring primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this set for a minute and then apply my foundation. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, and it comes in this cute little pot. And this is what it looks like inside. The product is like way deep down in there. So I'm gonna take this eyeliner with this brush it came with. This is from Aesthetica, and this is a really fine eyeliner brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this eyeliner. That's as good as I can get. My eyelids are super wrinkly, so it's really hard to get liner on as straight as possible. So now I'm gonna take this Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And this one seems like it's a little dark, but let's see how this goes. I'm gonna use this for my contour. And I'm just going to really lightly blend this on to the hollows of my cheekbones because this is really dark, so I don't want it to go on too strong. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set everything with some translucent powder. Okay, so now I'm going to set everything, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover Spray. And then I'm going to take this brush that came with the Boxycharm box. It's an Aesthetica brush, and this is P12. And then I'm going to take this highlight color here, and I'm going to highlight my face. Okay, and I'm gonna just dust off this excess powder I have. I'm gonna apply some blush. So for my blush, I'm gonna use my good old trusty Tarte Cosmetics, and this is an exposed. Okay, then I'm gonna just take some eyeshadow and just apply this under my eyes, just a little. Then I'm gonna apply some highlight right here. Okay, so I'm gonna throw on some lashes real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to apply this Boxycharm matte lip gloss. And this is what it looks like by Beauty Creations. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Whirl from MAC, the lip liner. Okay, so this is my final look that I came up with for all these things that I got with my Boxycharm this month. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.